Here, Bishop Dr. Ajikume for Joel. More here our PCC TV. Most of them our YouTube channel. Bishop Dr. Ajikume for Joel. And then most more here our Facebook Live. Rade Asumdui Enka Obibiala. And then so asema 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Rade person no can one semono. Aya nya enkaye. Aya nya enkaye. Aya nya enkaye. Yaka se nya enkaya yebeche se kainea unipa aye di amao. Kainea unipa aye edi amao. Eto de bi ya enipa bebree kwa ana efa abraboma wona omuhia wona wone boa woma esi wonyi no afei omunya tena be papa bi tena na omato wona twene na omayi omani afri won so asivu se onimu neta asivu se onhia no baabi ada but asemba ko ne se ekoba ne saa aya wanije normally no enipa bebre kwa eteka mu na so mo drive no mu hu nkrofo bi a na se omo sere won asenia omo de omo amobra ana se asenia omo de abrabo no ankoye amfa ma wo but nyameba ade biala e wa asase su biala e wa wiye ade biala e wa asase su biala e wo mre ne na ewade ahye e de ato ama no aya nyankaye aya kai nipa aya nkrofo ta ka se wan kai mi ensu a wo be kai mi asere kai hunu se abra na emu ye den no na wono neti kai hunu se abra na emu ye den no na omo waduare di kai hunu se abra na emu ye den no na woda ne fie ene ye fawo adwuma mu wie ye no wo se enye ne size no ohia wo na ochia wa ase woni mu no nyankaye kai hunu se ebri bia ba pen ana oye oba wo ne neti kai hunu se ebri bia ba pen awo ye nipa no ye onkomodifo nanso sesei no wo se monkey play by sizes nyanka ye ma nipa abra na wo te ase abra na wo bre abra emu ye den no na omne wo nenam ene wo na ekọ ene wo na eba ene wo na bom ye den ya yedidi se niema koye ma wa enyina no so mfen kasenti ya ne ane de ankoye amfa ma no isa se shebre obi anim ne wo obi ne ebe na nije but obi chabe na reho nyankaye abrantie bi wo ha ne ye fe no Samuel ba konso ne ye fe no Saul na Samuel ye ohe Samuel ye difo Bible say Awurade Nyankopon nam Samuel so ana de engo egu Saul so e ma ne be ye ohene. So Saul needed Samuel before he became a king. And Saul ekosia Samuel no obeye ohene. But no kura a woman say abra Saul ebedi ade a obeye ohene wiye no was starting cassette ya Samuel. Was starting the dinner time can say I am the king, you are the prophet, you must listen to me. May your hen or your prophet you can say me because I am your king. He never knew say it is this man of God who anointed him to become a king. He knew. And then one guy say a nyame nipa we and a bomb pie man anointed him to become a king. It is Samuel who anointed Saul to become a king over the nation Israelite. After obedi adie wie no otwa Samuel ejai one kind say he is a prophet one kind so no de ngugu ne so ma ne be ye king e wo afolibuki ana no so say adentina the prophet of God taris adentina wache it is a wache dia ono ankasa will go there and do them obafole no the Bible say abla so ebedu Samuel bedu ho no Samuel ka kire so say what have you done e dan de na so wa ye no na what ye tuate na etuate wa wate no me what I say etuate ye bayigro it is so you have done foolishly so say ne buafu adint na Samuel atiatia no adint na Samuel try so be coach no adint na Samuel e try so obetnetne no but abusuan wo hemeti it doesn't matter your level of position in life and found only position no abrabo baby wa body akodu onipa obewa otu afutupa no ona hweniye onipa obewa opese si yi no hwene won lusu no. There are some people in our life see lusu ona we are finished. There are some people in our life when we lose them we are doomed. Never try to lose those people because they are your foundation. Never try to lose those people because they are your pillars. Pillars of success. They are your pillars of happiness. They are your pillars of today. Anything that you needed them, they have helped you before. He had anointed you, he had poured on you before. It is a name may be assassin. Now it is your turn. I'm telling you, humble yourself, treat them well. Treat you ye. But when you saw Nyankaye, in Nipa Bebre Kaye because opposition ya wanna drew no man no abomb refi. It would Nipa Nenu Mati. In Nipa Nenu Monanti. In Nipa Nenu Diacro. In Nipa Nenu Uncle. And nay position be a one truntino. Ama Usiaoma o camp person better. Oka person better. Baby, I want timpo no pese behunu. Baby, I won't put pese because wunia, pese because we are down for me, pese because winning nimpuda. Party, a brabo canocre. A brabo and canocre. A brabo essence. A brabo and we are den. A maybe beba over from no so pija. Now one you're very careful, I'll bet you in Yansa into Boasso will be with you a bayer pa. Uninkaye, emobo. Forget not the people I want to wow pain. Forget not any power more than yet pain. Forget not only power share or your dear goose pain. And then in Chileman cassette young penny for as a one name one wonder. Car be a kutao, a dime be a wenya, gay be a wenyano, beme be a wenyano, sike be a wenyantino, ubuni pain as a nipain. When you are talking to them, you don't think about it. When you are talking to them, you don't mind the kind of words you are using on them. You treat them like trash. O boss, o managers, and crop where shall was seen now. We treat you on the same war. We treat you on the same qua. We treat you Burma when it is aqua. We treat you a bar when it is aqua. Tiame Nyankaye. Nan yan yampunu, one warm would depend. And yan yampunu, what our chipping. And yan yampunu, what proud demo pain. Was yes, you may be a trouble pay. Nyankaya mao, no nipa winning kaye, a within me. O nipa winning kaye, a buniaye. Ayakai near nipa be a diamount. So what's now much in our comedy as a mayakai near my amount? So what's no much no go any masia, ayakai baby omudu. So what's no much, not a was power ma, ayakai, brana way young corner, kind of like us woman them. In nipa be ninkaye. Nipa bi wɔ refintem nipa bi ani answade nipa bi ani nkaye e wɔ nea wo fa mu wɔ abrabɔ wana na esi oyi tie sɛ ruade boa wo na sɛ nneɛma kɔyie de ma wa nipa wo ne wɔn hyɛ ase hwɛ ne wani di anya wo sɛ ruade boa wo na sɛ nneɛma bi ekɔyie de ma wa nipa bi a wo ne wɔn hyɛ abrabase na wo ne wɔn ekɔ amobre hwɛ ne wani wo mama. Se wade ye wadom na wunya position bi tena sister brother bro ho ase sister brother bunipa sister brother yen treat nipa carefully esan se echine mu nsem obiala nim wo wonkaye ana wuni nkaye. Do you call them again or you have blocked them? Would you want to blacklist and answer what you monka ukosra won and answer won kosra won? Do you visit them or you don't visit them? Na ofre wa wofa anasa wo mfa ana opaya wiye nwumla wo hwe me eyi ne afutu sema mpesa me catch 10 minutes. So one wani anda ho na wanya very careful am wani anso nipa bia o wa brabo ma obeye mobo se na ubenu hu se utu wongu ye tie nia obi atu agu a asei no eyo obi nso ajapade mo wani nso ade nia nipa bia ye de ama obi am wani nso nia nipa bia ye de ama obi ala nyankaye ebia wo hwe me owura fi ebia wo hwe me abo awerefie adama asem we enkai wo say the way you would treat one nanfofo the way you would treat obi a waboa wo na waya wa adwene say unnim ne da awieye ene asem me da wase say wo hwe me ye fra me brother Joe me da sa fra the Porters Covenant Chapel wo betimi afra me number no na na mabɔ nkɔmɔ ɛwɔ 0245 487201 anaasɛ 055 000 8352 abusua nyanka yɛ wate kai nipa waboa kai nipa wa yɛ wadamfo yɛn kai hunu sɛ ɛnam dua so ana homa ehu soro ombehia wɔ moa so ne wura fi Samuel efi na brabo ofi na brabo mu no Bible sɛ honhomfi ɛbɛtena aso so afei David ana ɛbɔ ne nwom ansana ne ho ayɛ den atɔ no abla na Samuel ɛwɔ so abrabo mu no honhom bɔne ɛntimi anhyɛ ne mu da. There are some people if they live your life you are finished. Your nkrofobia, it is because of them, even though omuni sika, even though omuni ejuma, even though omuni sika ni ejuma any baby da, but omunti ene wenye sika, omunti ene wadu baby wadu, omunti ane wenye ejuma na awoye no, omunti ane wenye se ka na awutim. Se eya wo se wunti a pamon na he, lusun na he. Oh na be hunu say yes sana say nkrofo ni nhila bi nti ade brade di hu omobo e bi ana won ka ho nyame ka kire wo dane say enipa bebre bebo wa blabom amomo de nhila bi afiri soro ene abrawo na wan triti won ye ya they will live your life then you go back to where you were. So attractive demon e ba na wo so ablawo pam light no ifiri ne nchen de ruade ma honhomfi e kotomente no later no this same man raise Saul, a man be no God uses him to raise David so be to Saul at the definition. Make sure say ubenyan kaye amen di pebia atoka ama wo dan adem ama wo djuma ama wo duane adi asiw niema awalew asiesiw emre bi atwa mu pen se empo wonne ne nyanyanko bi wonne ne ntoa so bi mu a kae no one very careful wiase ebeyiwa ma wo nsole biem ekosi wobrem so wantimi ansole biem o fight ya ekosi se enka wo betumi akoyi ne yete ne so no afi ne so batie ahantan ene akomanten wase yasama na ati ne munti no wanhunu nyansa se obedwane akopa Samuel chewo ama Samuel de ache no because of that ewade nam no so raise David so be too so afri so not na kwakota na mawani na ho mawani enna ho mawani enna ho na oni pa wode na numa asem akama wo wanya adwuma ye wo solitia na numa asem a wo kama wo de nya adwuma no se numa asem na ebe kasa ma adwuma na lusu oni pa wa tai wachi ama na wadu sa akwantuo na wo mu ne mu no mawani na ho no kwan ya wo fa so a wo di tu se kwan no obetimi afa se kwan na so amwasa do hwefo kai hunu se enipa bi enim ye mpejaye na urade ka ho ana ota wachi e ma won yes ane ma no mbomodin so be ma wani aso moa bia woni ba bi di aboa enne enipa bebre ni nkaye wawalem enne nipa bebre ni nkaye wadwumam enne nipa bebre ni nkaye wasofodie mu enne nipa bebre ni nkaye watiasefo asase so enne ana wo ye ma no be ka che o se be daase but etu otwa onimu biem sa waboa ne pen o kaseti ya wa wondwene ho odidi watema wondwene ho ogu anim ase ya ondwene ho na ne wura fi se ne nyina so na ogina no ogina wo so ane nipa ho no ye wura fi popita ye gina so ya asole ema nipa fla ye pastor ye wura fi popita ye gina so ya asole ema nipa hu se ye nso ye difo kai hu se enne wanya wa popit na ogina so de ya asole ya hwe no 1% asa altaneda. The day you speak against it, you speak against yourself. The day you speak against those people, you speak against your blessing. You speak against your favor. You speak against your breakthrough. And you speak against your level. Baby, what do? It's as omuka ho and what do baby what do? So on kai no na wo buana e yi ne boni aye. Ne wiase wona won kai etna ye di akonya so che. Na wona woni ni nkai e free so tentem. So na hinie na konwa ebebo no adentia we nyan kaye ama Samuel se Samuel ana de ngoni gu ne so e ma ne be ye king kai hunu se To every kid there is a king, and to every king there is a kid. Ohini biala ya akwala pe, na akwala biala nso ahini wɔ ne mu. But ehia ma nipa bi nyansani bi, nipa bi a ɔyɛ father na mother, ohu niema ebetimi a protect sa king no e wa akwala de mu no, amana be king. Wo nya sa nipa ni bi wa blabo ma, enya dia your kingship ebetumi apie da. It is nkrofo bi bua wo, e ma wiye die pagya hwe ene wo ayi obama hwe ane wan kasenti ya wo hwe ane wo mu mani mase se wonni nkaya eye yale se wonni nkaya eye boni aye na se wonni nkaya nso a eye boni kese ye pa e wo awurade mu. Wan na aboa wa wato na twene, wan na aboa wa wayi nama, wan na aboa wa wo so wunya wagya na chidi, wan na aboa wa wantimi anka nche ne se me kai ne wayama me nyina wa hwe video ya hwehwe ne number frɛ no na ne monkobo na kai de say me kai ba bia me no wo sha ase free me kai ablaba ye boy me kai na mo ye tu ye na me kai obre a ya fam abre emema bebre kwa abrabo abasesa na ejija e the way a o ma treat ma bi a won o matena e de atwam e ma ni bi aboa mema no mema ni bi so aboa ma no to munya ba bi si ye no o ma start ye ma asem ene mema asem ko ka ye no o so ne nejai on wale ni bi kai hunu say baby a wo fa wo free a wo no sha ase no na won ti sese ene wo ho ayefe ene wanya body ene wanya car wanya baby mu atena ene nto wo so onye nipa onko na open ya wona ne wo class wo be kire ni beto wo kwan so nyankaye e ma wo ho na ama wo watimi atena se a che wasase so bomodin say wo be share video yi e de ama nipa nyina amoma fa nyansasa mu yi ye fra mi nyame akwajo wo mi nya time obi mu a mesan aba ene wa be kasa bomodin say wo be frɛ me abri biala wo pese wo frɛ me ne ya bon komo anase ya bon pae e wo 0550008352 ya so we did the Porters your Bible school I found the Porters Covenant Bible Institute your asofu ku I found Elohim Ministerial Fellowship of Clergy wo pese wo join me e free bomodin say wo be join me na ne ya bon komo me WhatsApp contact no 0245 487201. Erwadi shira se o hwe me